Ever wondered how you could turn your hobby for shooting photos, videos, or even flying drones into a profitable business? Hey guys, it's Reggie with FulltimeREP.com, and in this video, I'll be sharing the 7 key steps to go from shooting for fun to getting paid to shoot real estate media. If you want to start making money with your camera, most of the opportunity lies in 3 main niches: real estate, corporate, and weddings. As a freelancer, I started out shooting all 3, but quickly learned that weddings and corporate jobs tend to be one and done, so finding new clients became my biggest challenge. Real estate tends to be more consistent because if you do high quality work and provide outstanding customer service, it's very likely that your clients will hire you back to photograph all their new properties and for years to come. And just think about it, you wouldn't want a repeat wedding client, would you? The hours are flexible, making it possible to start as a side job while you're building up your portfolio and your clientele. And on top of that, demand for real estate photography continues to grow, with NAR statistics in 2023 citing that all home buyers use the internet to search for a home, and goes on to say that the most valuable content on those websites were photos and floor plans, among other things. So now that we've covered the why, let me take you through the 7 key steps that you can start implementing today to get started. Step 1, gear up. You don't need the most expensive equipment to start. A good DSLR or mirrorless camera, a wide-angle lens, and a sturdy tripod will do the trick. For your camera, a flip-out articulating screen is nice to have, but don't worry too much about megapixels because the photos will get downsized for the internet. For your lens, you'll want at least 16mm on a full frame, so on APS-C or Micro Four Thirds cameras, you'll need to calculate the crop factor. And of course, as you grow, you can invest in more advanced gear. If you need some quick gear recommendations, then check out my gear links down in the description. Once you have your equipment, you'll need to get familiar with the camera settings. If you're brand new to cameras, you'll want to get comfortable shooting manual and understand how aperture, shutter speed, and ISO affect your photos. Practice makes perfect, so get out there and shoot as much as you can. Step 2, practice at home. The great thing about real estate photography is that you can get your first portfolio shots from the comfort of your own home. Don't worry, you don't need a mansion to get clients. Just focus on shooting straight vertical lines and learn how to edit those photos to stand out. I have an entire tutorial on YouTube that teaches you how to shoot great photos, and I'll leave a link somewhere on the screen so you can check that out. Step 3, build your portfolio. One great hack for building your portfolio is shooting model homes because they're usually nicely staged and open to the public for showings. As you're still building your portfolio, don't be afraid to shoot some properties for free or at a discounted rate to attract new clients. Step 4, market yourself. It can be nice to create a professional website, but don't get too caught up in the marketing. Any simple platform to showcase your portfolio can work. And I like to recommend Behance because it's a free platform and it keeps things simple for anyone who's just starting out. Social media is also a great place to share your work and attract potential clients, but you should also have some type of website because not everyone is on social media. Step 5, price your services. Research the going rates in your area and set competitive prices. Many people get this wrong and they'll set lower prices than the established players, making everyone have to race to the bottom. What I recommend instead is setting your prices where you want to grow into, and then offering discounts until your portfolios and skills have caught up. Pricing seems to have a sweet spot, so don't overdo it, but more importantly, don't undersell yourself. Step 6, network. Reach out to local real estate agents and offer your services. You can do this through a number of different methods like calling, emailing, social media, joining the local Realtors Association, and so much more. When you're talking to a new potential client, focus on asking good questions and having meaningful conversations rather than pitching your services nonstop. I can almost guarantee that nobody out there is dying to hear your pitch, but most people would be open to discussing their problems if they think you can offer a good solution. Step 7, deliver top-notch customer service. Once you've won your clients over, continue to be professional, punctual, and communicative. Reinvest in new skills and new equipment. If you keep your clients happy, they'll refer you to new clients, and over time, your business will continue to grow organically. So there you have it. With these 7 easy steps, you can turn your photography hobby into a profitable business shooting real estate media. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. And if you want to fast track your journey in real estate media, then head over to FulltimeREP.com to see what we've got cooking up over there. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.